Can your current bank truly help you build a diversified investment portfolio? Thinking face. That's the big question when looking at an institution like EverBank. While they're well known for their competitive deposit accounts, like their high-yield savings and certificates of deposit, CDs, you might be asking, what about mutual funds and broader investing? The EverBank investment landscape. It's important to understand the current structure. EverBank is a national bank. Its core strength lies in high-yield banking products. This includes the popular performance savings account, which often boasts APYs well above the national average, and a range of CDs with various terms. These are fantastic for your liquid savings, emergency fund, or money you need relatively soon, prioritizing safety and stability with FDIC insurance. Where mutual funds fit in. Now, what about those mutual funds? In the past, EverBank had a broader investment platform. However, the current focus is a bit more specialized. While EverBank doesn't operate a vast, in-house brokerage with thousands of third-party mutual funds, they do offer some unique and diversified options for those looking to expand beyond typical bank products. World Markets accounts, this is where EverBank gets truly unique. They offer access to assets like precious metals and foreign currency deposits. This allows for a level of global diversification you don't typically find at a traditional bank. Cash management accounts, these act as a hub for your investment activities and are essential for utilizing the World Markets platform. So, if you're looking for standard equity mutual funds, think S&P 500 index funds, you might need to use a separate brokerage. But if your goal is to diversify with global currencies or precious metals, EverBank offers a distinct, bank-integrated solution. Making your decision. When considering EverBank for your money, think of it in two parts. High-yield core, use their performance savings, money market, and CDs to get great rates on your cash and conservative holdings. They excel here. Specialized diversification, explore their World Markets accounts if you're comfortable with the unique risks and rewards of foreign currencies and precious metals as part of a globally diversified strategy. Always remember, your financial strategy should be layered. EverBank can be a powerful piece of that puzzle, especially for the cash and unique global assets. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.